Hi, we're the Stakhniuk family, and we comment on our first. Welcome to our channel.
We are the Stakhniuk family, Mikola, Natasha, and little baby Ezekiel.
We're playing doing overland video. I wanna buy a rail rack, like more hires, and I buy I camper a rooftop tent.
And with great plans for our future, we decided to go on a little trip where we just stayed miserably. So we went out at a time when Kentucky was flooded by rainstorms, and we decided to try camping. We weren't able to camp because everything was flooded, but we got a lot of experience and it was an awesome adventure. So we're very excited to start this channel.
Yeah, exactly. We're trying to start this channel.
We are so excited to take you on this adventure with us. So please like and subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Їдемо з хати.
Так, скажи щось.
Why am I speaking in Ukrainian?
Ти вмієш балакати вже, давай, кажи, апатя.
Heading out and look at the sky outside. It's absolutely gorgeous. And since we got a lot of rainfall, everything is like this deep green color.
We're going to grab some firewoods and torch. Going to Walmart and
We live 2 hours away from where we're going, so anyways, if something happens, we just go back and we're good to go.
we have in a car 120 watts power, so can grab coffee maker
Next time.
and put on the bag.
And do like a little
And
coffee shop at a campsite. $10 a cup.
and also in this place we don't have any service yet.
Our first stop is Walmart. We're just grabbing a few things for breakfast and for dinner tonight. And we're out to go. And we're good to go. So first lesson we learned from negative experience. We're not even at the campsite yet. We just drove out. It's 8:27. It's dark outside. It's gorgeous outside, which it's fine because tomorrow morning is going to be gorgeous too. So we're gonna enjoy the nature, we're gonna enjoy it all tomorrow morning. But still, it's kind of sad that we're not gonna get to see any of it tonight. Okay, so the place we were planning on going was blocked off by some flooding. So we're trying to find like another place to spend the night. Cola's looking for a spot for us to park, and this might be a good spot. We tried to park and realized that this ground, the car sinks in it. Okay, love, what's
Yeah.
happening?
What's happening? We vroom and the rear wheels is stuck it. Yeah, I'm out from car and double check what happened, and I am in my shoes also stuck it. Snack.
So we're about to eat some chicken. We wanted to get some burgers, but we weren't sure what the situation was going to be with fire. And we just saw some chicken. We're like, let's just grab this. So we're gonna eat chicken and go to sleep inside of the truck because it's so spooky over here. I'm so scared right now. We were considering going back home, but decided to stay. There's Mikola with the fire. And here we are.
Не боимся мы волка и косу.
Here we are. And there's our little fire.
Yeah.
It could be camping. You like it?
Да, хлопці.
Good morning. Hi.
І защіпнули кросівки.
Hi. Okay, so we're heading home after a very successful night of camping. Basically what happened is it was raining outside, so Mikola didn't get to sleep outside as he wanted to. We didn't have a chance to make breakfast over the fire, but we got to see a lot of very beautiful nature. I also forgot to mention, I only slept like 20 minutes because I was so scared. And then like when I wasn't scared, the baby kept on waking me up. So in about a month we're planning on going on a trip, going overlanding through some of the greatest national parks, Yosemite National Park and Yellowstone, and hit a few more along the way. So before going to those trips and learning from the experience once we're thousands of miles away from home, we decided to do a few trips around here and learn from the experience here so then we can pack and be ready to go. So let's do it.